Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda CR-V. We're talking about that generation here from year 2012 to year 2016. If you have one of those, you need to find where the heater fan fuse is located. It's actually two fuses in two different fuse boxes. Stay with us, we'll explain where they're located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So, before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CR-V from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do is just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem, because in the manual often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague and you may not know what it means guys. But something else guys, here at the garage we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers guys. We have videos that helped more than 350 million people guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now another thing guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses guys, but even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here, okay, those are multi-block fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in ones. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view guys of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So let's explain where now, okay, the heater fan fuse is located on a 2015 Honda CR-V that we have right here. You guys have two different fuse boxes. We'll be working both of them today, and we will start with the fuse box that's located on the inside. So if you come on the driver's side, right under the dash above the pedals, look all the way up in the dash on the left side, you will notice that you have a fuse box layout that will look just like this one right here. This is guys the fuse box. Before we guys continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here we'll need to check one fuse and we need to go to a different fuse box. And the fuse that we'll need to check specifically, we're talking about fuse number 22. This is for the climate control and the heater as well. 7.5 amp fuse, fuse number 22. Then we need to open the hood on our Honda CR-V, and under the hood guys you will see that's the main fuse box here. Open that cover, you will see that fuse box layout right there. Now this is towards the front of the Honda CR-V, this is towards the windshield side. Before we guys continue, let's explain here something. You have that special fuse, okay, that we are talking about, okay, that's a multi-block fuse, okay, right here, that consists of 11 individual fuses integrated in one. This is the side view. The bad news is that if one of them burns, just let's say this one, you have to replace the whole fuse box. Good news, we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get one from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you don't waste your money. Here we need to check one fuse that's part of that multi-block fuse, and we're talking about fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fuse number 8, that's the 40 amp fuse, that's for the heater fan right here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.